Meaning of degenerate.
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 Degenerate. The term degenerate refers to something that has declined from a previous state of normalcy or morality. It can also refer to something that is lacking in quality or has become corrupted. The result of degeneracy is often a negative one, as it can lead to decay, deterioration, or the loss of value. In human societies, degeneracy can manifest in a variety of ways, including the breakdown of social norms, the rise of criminal behavior, or the decline of intellectual pursuits. Ultimately, the consequences of degeneracy can be severe and long-lasting, affecting individuals and entire communities.